Hi, and welcome to another Mostly Mike Show 2-minute quickie tips and reviews. While these 2-minute videos don't pay much, the tips are sure great. Anyway, I wanted to share an experience that I recently had with my GoPro Hero 7 Black, which caused me to have some havoc for a short while. But in this video, I'll show you how to fix this if it ever happens to you. The clock is running, so let's do this. So I had a sudden opportunity to capture some awesome footage that I didn't want to miss. I ran into the house, grabbed the first GoPro that I could find, which happened to be the Hero 7 Black. I grabbed a battery out of the battery pile and without looking at the orientation of the battery, just arbitrarily plowed it inside as deep as it could go. I then tried to push the door closed. This is when the games began.
I want to play a game.
It turns out the battery was backwards, so of course it didn't hit bottom as planned. The GoPro wasn't having any of this, and it showed its resentment by not letting the door close all the way. Then something weird happened. Not only could I not close the door completely so it would latch, I now couldn't open it either to get the battery back out. Has this ever happened to any of you? I tried prying on the door, the battery, and whatever else I could using a pick, a small screwdriver, a razor blade, and a small screwdriver. Kinda redundant, I know, but this screwdriver had a sharper tip. While I can't stress enough to everyone not to try any of these methods which could break, scratch, dent, mar, or hideously disfigure your GoPro, let me show you how I fixed this problem. In the midst of frustration, pandemonium, and panic while I was prying, prodding, and probing anywhere that I could to stick the above-mentioned tools, a light bulb went off in my head, which made me realize why the gap in the back of the hinge was so tight. The door itself actually latched while open. This phenomenon is a first for me, so if this happens to any of you, here's the fix. Just push the latch release button as you would to do it normally, and then slide the door outward as always, and voila! That's French, voila! Problem solved. Thanks for taking part in this 2-minute quickie. Was it good for you? If it was good for you, please explain why in the comments section and mash that like button. Please subscribe if you're new here. Click the green bell and you'll be in the loop for future videos the very second that they're published, which really helps this channel out a lot. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next go-around.